Good morning. Let's discuss the new national education policy, para 12.8, internationalization, where the Modi government is marketing and yelling with this. Let's break down into the policy and see if it's a really good policy for middle and lower classes of the society. As per the policy, the government said they will set up 100 foreign universities in India which will provide better and pro-education standards to Indians. In exchange, they will set up Indian universities in foreign lands. My question to the government is, will the foreign universities and foreign education system accept Indian universities? While the Indian government itself is bringing alternates to the Indian universities, why would you think that other countries will accept Indian universities? It's just because the Prime Minister said so. The fee structure of the foreign universities will be at the higher end compared to Indian universities for providing better faculty and environment. My question to the government is education only for rich? How would a student of middle and lower class bear the fee structure? Will the BJP IT cell pay in lakhs for sharing fake posts in Facebook and yelling sub changasi? The middle and lower classes of the society survive on employment, and from here on, the employers will depend upon the students holding certificates from foreign universities. My question to the government is, if there are two students applying for the same job graduating from different universities, whom will the employer hire? Will they hire the student who's holding a degree from Indian university, or will they hire the student holding degree from a foreign university? The basic idea of every Indian is food, clothing and shelter, which is being butchered with this policy, where the students can't afford maximum fee structure, with which they lose an opportunity to hold a foreign degree and which results in unemployment, as employers give preferences to the students with foreign degrees. How will the government make up for unemployment? Will they start deprivatization of PSUs and call it Naya Bharat? The new national education policy will not only affect students but also the present faculty of small and medium universities and their families who depend upon them. The Ambanis and Adanis will get their part of share in the foreign universities. How will the Modi government deal with this crisis? Will they concentrate on small and medium colleges? Or will they only concentrate on the 10 rich families of the country and take a trip around the world on a Boeing 777 yelling, vocal for local and make in India? This is how the new national education policy will shrink the lion of Make in India into bones. Thank you.